Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. Today we're gonna go down a full day of Christmas shopping at Ikea, Costco, and the Christmas tree shop. We find so many amazing finds for this upcoming holiday season, decorations for your home, Christmas trees, everything you can think of we come across in these three places. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and come along for this shopping day. If you would like to see what we found, then please keep on watching. So first stop, we go to Ikea, and here we are entering Ikea. It was a very busy day. We went on a weekend, but when we enter, we first see this display, this beautiful red display for kitchenware, oven mitts, napkins, this cute little heart-shaped napkin holder, and some cookies and jam. Then we see this small little Christmas tree. It was really cute. I think this would be like really nice for like an office, for your desk. This is a cute little Christmas tree, and we found quite a few of these, and some Stiltlingen jam, vitamin C. And then we find this really cute bouquet with some pine cones, and it had cute little stars on it. This was really cute. And it was actually placed inside of this jar with ornaments, so like super cute. Another little small tree, really cute. Again, this would be really nice for like a desk at your office. Then we found some candlestick holders for the dinner table. These were about $13. Then we see this really cute kitchen, and Ikea is really great for inspiration and seeing like how to decorate different spaces, as you'll see as we go along. Cute little gnome here. So this space right here, I really liked this houndstooth couch. I thought it was really cute and modern. And I liked this space and how it had all the different picture frames and really cool books in the back. And actually all the books in Ikea are actually in Swedish. So that was super cool and very Swedish touch. This adorable green couch was so festive and so holiday. I really liked it. Then following the arrows, we're gonna go on to the kitchen spaces, and I really liked this kitchen. It was so nice and modern. I loved the color scheme and the cabinets. It was really pretty, and how everything was organized was really nice. So going into the next room, we have a washer and dryer, and all the appliances in Ikea are actually for sale, which I didn't know. So this is another little kitchen space, except in like a more of a neutral beige color. I really liked it too. It was really nice, very contemporary. And then this kitchen space was so beautiful and so holiday appropriate. I loved the decoration of the table. It was so simple, but very effective, I feel. And I love the color green on the walls and the cabinets. It was so beautiful. And I just loved this space. It was like so Christmas. We have this cute little oven mitt here and this Christmas apron. And I really loved these portraits right here, these canvas, really cute with the gold leaves. And this sink was so pretty as well in the marble background. And this cute little tree was so cute. And something really cool about the Ikea cabinets is that they're actually all soft close. So that's really nice. So once again, these are all soft close, as you can see, which is really good for people that like to slam the cabinets. Then this other space here, this kitchen is more of like a traditional style with a traditional oven. But again, all the cabinets are soft close, so I love that. Nice and quiet, no slamming. Some cute little plates here. And I really liked this portrait of the different eggs. I thought that was really cute. Another little modern kitchen space right there. So I really loved all of the kitchens at Ikea, really cute. We came across this table with these really pretty plates with this cute little bird. Seemed like very holiday appropriate as well. And it had the matching mugs. Moving right along, following the arrows, we're gonna keep making our way And onto some more kitchen appliances, we have this really nice faucet here, really cute, and a nice little Christmas display and a cute little country style table. And then this more traditional table was really nice. But what I really liked about this were these really cool light fixtures were really nice. And this was a cute little space. And then we found some chair cushions that were nice and holiday appropriate. And then this little bedroom space was really adorable. I really liked it. It was very simple but neutral and classic, but also with some modern touches. I really liked it. It had a cute little computer desk space here and some storage. It was really cute. I really liked this bathtub. It was really nice. It was a cute little bathroom, and I think all of this is for sale too. The bedroom was a little messy, but I really liked this mirror. It was like a really cool size for a bedroom, for a small space. Along we find this Christmas tree. There weren't that many full proper Christmas trees, and the Christmas trees that you see at Ikea are more like the European Scandinavian style, which means that they're not as full and they do have like longer branches, but it was also like very pretty if you're into that style, if you're into that European style. Then we find some LED fixtures here, really cute lighting. Then a smaller little Christmas tree. This was really pretty for like a cute little space in your home. I really liked these. I liked the gold detailing. Then we have some really cool portraits here. And I didn't know that Ikea sold like Mona Lisa and Van Gogh replicas. So if you're ever looking for a Van Gogh or a Mona Lisa, Ikea is your spot. Moving right along to the candles, we have some Christmas candles here and some more candles in the back. These are all scented, and this space smelled so amazing. Oh, it smelled so good. I loved this area. Then you also have some plain white candles that, have a multitude of uses. So it's nice to have that option as well. Then we have some lanterns. This is a nice little red one, very holiday appropriate. Then we have another Christmas tree, and like I mentioned earlier, it is gonna be like that skinnier, like European style tree. Some dried decorations and this really cool jingle bell like wreath, really cute. And some more wreaths, some wheat and flowers, like dried grass, really nice. Some ornaments here. These were really pretty red ones. And then these really fun, like cartoon animals, really cute. And then some smaller solid colored ornaments were also available. And these were like a really unique style. So we had a wide variety of colors and sizes that come in these packs here. And then some jingle bells. These are really cute as well. So a whole variety of ornaments. And then I came across these golden ornaments, all solid color, really nice, like basic colors that will be a good touch to your tree. Then some more like shrubbery, like some greenery. But that was pretty much it for Ikea, guys. So let's move right along onto Costco, and let's just take a second to appreciate the sunset. It was so pretty. But now let's go into Costco. So walking into Costco, we immediately see this beautiful Christmas tree. And as you can see, it's very different than the trees at Ikea. This one was a much fuller tree and a more traditional, like American style tree, I would say. Then this really nice nativity scene was really gorgeous for $95. And this tree was $400. Then this really cool giant ornament was really cool. And then some traditional wreaths. We have a green one with pine cones for $48. And then this one here with ornaments and some red pine cones and red detailing. Really cute. Then these beautiful reindeer set. These were absolutely gorgeous and looked so expensive for $47. These were amazing. Then we have some ornaments here. And then this beautiful nativity scene with the angel was absolutely stunning. It opens and closes, really beautiful. I really loved this piece. It was so different. Then we have a tree collar here. There weren't too many variety of tree collars, but this one was nice. And then we had a wide variety or selection of holiday gift cards. There was a bunch to choose from. Then we have some plain white LED candles that you could decorate and, make your own according to the color scheme that you have in your house. And then we have tons of ribbon. We have different selection of ribbon and different patterns. This one right here with the gold and the royal blue was really stunning and beautiful. And then this one with the holly was really cute as well. It's holly or mistletoe, I'm not sure. But here are the ribbons there. And then some already packaged ribbons that you could just stick onto presents. They had those there. And then some wrapping paper, a variety of those. And then some scented candles, but they weren't that impressive. So moving on to Christmas tree shop, our last stop. So immediately when you walk into the Christmas tree shop, there are all of these decorations, your eyes just get filled with all of these Christmas decorations. We have some really beautiful snow globes here, wide variety of snow globes, and a lot of just a lot of different pieces. It's you almost don't know where to look because there's so much stuff. That's why they call it the Christmas tree shop. But we have these Santa men or Nutcracker, and then we came across these cute little reindeer with the little green plaid shirts. Super cute. My mom knocked it over, but that's okay. And these were really adorable. A lot of stationary decorations. Some jingle bells here, some more stationaries and some Santas. And we have some more Santas and Mrs. Claus. There were so many at the Christmas tree shop, a lot of Santas. And again, just a bunch of stationery items. And this cute little raccoon was so adorable. I think it was made out of wood, really cute, and some wooden reindeer, really nice. And again, some more Santas and Mrs. Claus, a ton to choose from. This one right here was really cool. But yeah, if you're ever looking for Santas, the Christmas tree shop for sure. And then this little slinky thing, not sure what it was, but it was cute. And they had a snowman as well. Then there was this metal tree, I think it was a candle holder, and then some trucks that were candle holders and some lanterns. Some poinsettias. Some more stationery items and frames, reindeer. You really have a wide variety here. We have reindeer, stars, frames with sayings on them. This one says joy. This was really pretty. And I think pretty much any color scheme, you'll find it at the Christmas tree shop. Depending on what your decorations look like, you can definitely find some really good items in here. These golden nutcrackers and trees, and this giant mug. And some more cone-shaped trees and a wide variety of colors that are good for accents to your decorations, a good accent. It could go on the floor or next to the fireplace, however you want to decorate it. And then another snow globe, and this one also had music, really pretty. And then this cute little owl, a lot of cute little woodland creatures. Some more golden decorations and frames. Some more jingle bells, a lot of jingle bells, and a lot of plaid as well. Then some more wreaths here, except this one was more of a silver color. This one was really pretty. There was a ton of wreaths to choose from. This white poinsettia wreath was really pretty. And then my mom found this gorgeous like white wreath with a beautiful reindeer in it for $25. Super gorgeous. This other wreath here that's like good for your door, and then some bows, a lot of bows to choose from, different colors, but like mostly like neutral colors. Some garlands here, not too many garlands, I must say. And some more like little mini Christmas trees, and then this little candle holder was really pretty. Some holiday napkins with snowmen on it, poinsettias and wreaths, really cute for the dinner table. And then we have some Christmas trees at the Christmas tree shop, but actually there weren't that many. And then we have some more, I believe that this is for like curtains, like these are curtain rings. So really cute, and maybe you could use these as ornaments as well, I don't know. But these were the trees, not that many trees and not really that impressive, to be honest, but then a wide variety of ornaments in different colors. I really liked this mailbox. It says letters for Santa, really cute. It was actually very big. This cute little disco ball ornament, and then some bigger decoration pieces like this train and these motorcycles or like bicycles, and then some smaller like mailboxes. Some stockings and these really cute like cloth calendars to like count down the days for Christmas. Really cute. I think kids would like these a lot. Then here are the stockings there. Not too many colors, a lot of red. Some tree skirts here. Not too many tree skirts, but you had a few good ones here, but mostly in like red and white. This one was white and gold. This one was really nice and had like a nice texture to it. Then we have some more stationery items and some LED pieces and lamps. Really cute. Some Christmas elves. This one had curly hair. It was really cute. It looked like me. Some nativity scenes and angels. And some of these you could actually paint. They came in like a paint set. Really cute. Then we have some snowmen. Again, Christmas Tree Shop is great for stationery items and frames with like cute sayings on it. So if you're looking for anything like that, this is the perfect place to go to for those items. A ton of stationery items and like smaller pieces, big pieces, like these beautiful lanterns here. I loved this one, was so cute. These lanterns right here were really pretty. I really liked like the different themes to them and like the characters on them. This Merry Christmas thing, door hanger, I'm not sure what that was, but it was cute. Some holiday candles. These were really pretty for like a dinner table or like as part of like a centerpiece. Really cute. Some LED tea lights in gold. This really pretty snowflake candle as well. Really cute. And then some holiday mason jars. I really liked these a lot. These are really, really nice. And that about wraps up our trip, our full day of shopping, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.